Impressionwise Honest Review, watch before using. In this video, we're diving into an honest review of Impressionwise, a platform designed to help businesses optimize their online presence and track user behavior through detailed analytics. Impressionwise aims to provide advanced tools for user journey mapping, heat maps, session recordings, and conversion tracking, making it ideal for digital marketers, UX/UI designers, and business owners looking to improve website engagement and sales. One of the standout features of Impressionwise is its intuitive dashboard, which allows you to easily monitor user activity on your site in real time. The platform also offers a variety of tracking options, from mouse movement analysis to clicks and scroll behavior, providing a comprehensive view of how visitors interact with your site. For businesses that rely heavily on user data to drive decisions, this could be a game changer. Setting it up is relatively straightforward, and integration with popular website platforms like WordPress and Shopify is smooth. The heat map functionality is particularly useful, giving you a visual representation of where users are clicking most often, which can help identify parts of your site that are underperforming or need improvement. Additionally, the session recordings let you watch real-time user activity, which can reveal usability issues or bottlenecks in your site's navigation. On the downside, Impressionwise can be a bit overwhelming for beginners, as there's a lot of data to process and understand. It's certainly more suited to those who are already familiar with web analytics or are willing to spend time learning the system. The pricing is on the higher end compared to other analytics tools, so it may not be the best choice for startups or small businesses with a limited budget. However, if you're serious about enhancing your site's user experience and conversion rates, Impressionwise offers a powerful suite of tools that can deliver valuable insights. Overall, if you're looking for a robust platform to track user behavior and make data-driven decisions, Impressionwise is worth considering. Just be prepared for the learning curve and the investment. Make sure you're ready to leverage all the features it offers to get the best results.